Hey guys, welcome back to Be Hollis Brands. Well, I'm coming back to show you that I finished my sandals I made from veggie tan and a brown leather. So the inside I layered my piece of veggie tan with some brown leather, and I have them labeled with my brand, Be Hollis brand. And I thought about polishing this brown to make it a full dark brown sandal, but let me know down in the comments what you think. Should I dye this light brown around or leave it as a accent of the wood? Let me know what you think in the comments. And again, here is the finished product. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comments. So please like, share, and subscribe. All right, see you on the next project.